Right, evening everybody. I just tried to upload this video, basically, this one here. Bonnie Tyler, Total Eclipse of the Heart. You know, I don't know if you can remember seeing that in the 80s, but it was everywhere, wasn't it? It was #1 for ages and everything. But no one ever really knew what the video was about. It was a bit weird, the video, wasn't it? Well, guess what? Guess what it relates to? That's right. It relates to everything we've been talking about, doesn't it? And this strange relationship between the bird boys and the ladies and all of it, and what they get up to together. So yeah, obviously I've tried to upload this, and what I did was I dropped it in Movie Maker. I put a sepia effect on it, you know, old-fashioned black and white thing, and I slowed it down by about 3%, and I lowered the video quality down by about half, and I uploaded it, and it got instantly blocked worldwide. So all I do now is quickly run through just the beginning bit here with you, and hopefully I won't get into trouble for it. Give me a bit of paper to use as a pointer so it can be on the screen, so it's blocking the visuals so it doesn't pick it up. Right, here we go. Get ready for the bird. There it is. Skip through it a little bit. I'm not going to show you all in here, but you know, I'll put the link in the description. Have a good look at this for yourself. Check this. Check this bit. You ready? Well, got his wings in it. Look at this. And he's got another bird. And there's your water. And your bathroom, bath boy stuff. Right, I'll leave it there. And I'll put the link in the description. Peace.